I'm Dr. Roger, and this question is from the May 2021 International SAT Calculator section. College Board is asking about the solution of a system of equations, and they're asking for an unusual combination of x and y, where xy is the solution. Frequently, when they ask for this, I'll spend a couple seconds checking whether there is some extreme shortcut. 10x minus y. Notice if I add the two equations, I get 5x plus 5x is 10x. If I add here, I get 3y minus 4y is negative y, and that is 10x minus y. So the fastest solution is to add them. 5x plus 3y equals 31. 5x minus 4y equals 17. Since they're equal, I can add and get 10x minus 1y equals 31 plus 17 is 48. The answer will be 48. That's really quick, and I'll always check for something quirky like that if they're asking for an unusual combination like this. Frequently, they're looking to see if you feel clever. But let's also solve this. And since this is a calculator section, I'm going to use my graphing calculator matrix feature. Rewrite this system as a matrix: 5, 3, 31, 5, negative 4, 17. Where the system has the variables in the same order for both equations, and then the constant by itself on the right. So matrix, edit, 2 by 3, and I have 5, 3, 31, 5, negative 4, 17. And I'm going to do matrix math on my graphing calculator, reduce echelon form of the matrix I just created. Gives me this matrix: 1, 0, 0, 1 for the first two columns, and then 5, 2. And that's by using reduced row echelon form. Rewriting this matrix as a system, this means 1x plus 0y, or just x, equals 5, and 0x plus 1y equals 2, so y equals 2. If I check that with x5, y2, 5 times 5 is 25, 3 times 2 is 6, 25 plus 6 is 31. 5 times 5 is 25, 4 times 2 is 8, 25 minus 8 is 17. That solution does work, and this is an extraordinarily simple way of solving a system of linear equations. Now they're asking for 10x minus y. 10x minus y equals 10 times 5 minus 2, which is 50 minus 2 equals 48. I could also solve this by hand, either solving one of these for x and then substituting that expression for x in the other equation, or linear combination. If I subtract the second equation from the first, that eliminates x. So 5x plus 3y equals 31. 5x minus 4y equals 17. If I subtract the second equation from the first, 5x minus 5x is 0x. 3y plus 4y is 7y. 31 minus 17 is 14. Divide both sides by 7, and I get y equals 2. I can substitute that into either equation. 5x plus 3y is 5x plus 3 times 2 equals 31. 3 times 2 is 6. I'll subtract 6 from both sides. 5x equals 31 minus 6 is 25. Divide by 5. I get x equals 5. And now that I have x and y, I can solve for this expression as I did before. There's a variety of ways to answer questions involving systems of equations. If they're asking for something unusual, check for a shortcut. But other than that, practice with each of the methods, because any one of them might be the most efficient for the question that you see on your SAT. And come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.